Yo, yo. What's going on, everybody? Happy Sunday. Sunday fun day. Y'all know the vibes, man. Let's freaking get it. Nelson, Jojo, Steadfast, Paris, Andrew, Zebu. What's up, man? What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Dwight, Kyle, Jaden, Shay, what's good, brother? How's everybody doing tonight, Carl? Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Yes, sir. Before we get started here, be sure to hit that like button. One time for the one time for the one time. Let's get it. CR Dylan, what's up, man? How y'all doing tonight? Everything crystal clear. Awesome. Hey, I'm going to let you guys know something tonight. I've had a fucking massive weekend. Sold a lot of my Bitcoin. Hit a crazy win on stake. I've made a lot of money this weekend. I'm going to give back a shit ton tonight. Right. Matter of fact, before we get started here, I'm going to pick one lucky person from the comments to do a giveaway before we start. And then throughout, I'm probably going to give away $1,000, $1,500 tonight. So just hang tight. You guys know there's always value in terms of the market. But somebody's getting some free money tonight, guaranteed. All right. I'm going to stop my mouse on somebody real quick. Let's do Dwight Robinson. All right. Let's go ahead and spin the wheel and see what you get tonight, man. All right. So you're the first person. Let's go ahead and spin the wheel, see what you get. I'll write your name down. I'm going to send everybody a nice cash app with my man. You want $10. So there you go. That's the first person of the night. We're going all through the night. All right. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Dwight Robinson. All night. All right. I win, y'all win. All right. Let's get it. Yeah, it's been a crazy, crazy weekend. Crazy weekend. All right, let's get into the charts here. So, one winner so far, that's Dwight Robinson. We'll keep it moving. The prizes are $10, $25, $50, $100, and $250. And also, there's one lucky slot that is a live trading day with me. Wake up in the morning, me and you will live trade together that day. So, yeah, man, we're going to have a good night tonight. We'll learn, earn. Y'all know the vibes, man. Let's get it. Yeah, man, it's crazy. Altogether, I made about $300,000 this weekend. $300,000. I made $120K on Bitcoin, and on stake, I made a little over $175,000. So it's been a crazy, crazy weekend for me. Yeah, man, very excited. Very, very excited. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let me fix this bot real quick. Looks like this bot is going crazy with the cap stuff. So let me see if I can fix that real quick for you guys. I'm gonna turn that off. There we go. Boom. There we go. Should be good to go. Yeah, I turned it off, so you guys should be able to type cat sound. Be good to go. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get it. First things first, as always. Let's check out this economic calendar for the week ahead. We got quite a bit of economic data. Let's get it. So we are going into the 27th, right? 27th is next week. 27th, which is Monday, right? Monday. I don't know why, man. Econo Day hasn't been doing what it's supposed to do lately, man. It hasn't been doing what it's supposed to do. What did I win on stake? I won $173,000 off of $5. And then my Bitcoin I sold. I bought Bitcoin at 25K. I had almost 10 coins. And yeah. Yeah. Alrighty, let's see. Economic calendar. So it's been crazy, crazy, crazy. Crazy weekend. Crazy weekend. Give me 1 second here, we'll get going. I sold my Bitcoin. I sold a little bit on Friday and sold a little bit on Saturday. Yeah. Alrighty, guys, let's go ahead and get it. So we're gonna go to this week here. We're gonna go to filters. We're gonna exit out of this stuff. We're gonna clear these filters. We're gonna go down to United States and we're gonna apply it. So starting on Monday, November 27th, we have new home sales, which is at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is our first data point here of the week, which is Monday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's probably like a solid 5 or 6 out of 10 in terms of influence. Tuesday's where the fun begins. We have consumer confidence. That's going to be at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Definitely want to pay attention to that. We often see a pretty decent move there. Wednesday is kind of the big day here. Wednesday, which is November 29th. We have PCE. That is at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We also have GDP, which is at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time as well. So Wednesday is going to be the big day here. GDP and PCE. We also have jobless claims as always, which is going to be on Thursday. And then we have PMI, which is at 9:45 on Thursday, along with pending home sales, right? So we got a pretty hectic week this week for economic data, right? So definitely want to be aware of this, guys. I've texted out on my watch list on Instagram, so if you want to go back and check that out, you're more than welcome to do so as well. But I'm just breaking it down for you guys as well here live. So Friday, right, we have ISM. That's going to be at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then we have JPAL talking at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So we pretty much got data day after day after day this whole week, right? So we got a slam-packed week there in terms of data. Definitely want to be mindful of these data points, especially ISM, PAL talking is a big one, GDP, PCE. Very, very, very important, all right? So make sure you guys slap that on your calendar, set a reminder, something for it. Make sure you guys are good to go there. Just a reminder as well, if you guys are having a quality issue on your end, go to YouTube, hit the little cog icon, and you can turn the quality all the way up to 1440p at 60, okay? So you can also do that as well. But, yeah, guys, pretty crazy week with economic data. Just covered everything for y'all. Like I said, you want to review it, head over to my Instagram, and everything will be there for you. I do want to talk about a couple earnings reports real quick. We do have a pretty nice earnings week as well. So let's go ahead and check this out also. This week, I'm very, very, very interested in CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike's a very fun one to trade. We have Snow and CRM. We also have Okta. Okta is kind of a fun one to trade as well. But these are going to be the big ones I'm looking for this week. CrowdStrike's the main one. Splunk is even a fun one to trade once in a while. But the main ones I'm watching this week are going to be CrowdStrike, which is Tuesday after close. And then we have a big day here Wednesday after close with Snow, CRM, and Okta, right? So we have quite a bit of fun earnings to trade this week. These are all, potential post-earning setups. That's why I'm very interested in them. So yeah, I love these names for this week, especially CRM. You guys know CRM has a special spot in my heart. I've had my biggest trading day ever on that name. I made a little bit over $43,000 one time on CRM. I'm sure you guys remember because I posted it for everybody. I posted a swing trade on CRM, and it ended up doing like 580%. And that's still my biggest day trading options day to this point. My biggest trade ever was recently Bitcoin. But my first six-figure trade was on Bitcoin, but my biggest option trade was on CRM. I made a little over $43,000. But yeah, Dollar Tree is a fun one too. Yeah, let me not forget that. Dollar Tree is definitely a fun one to trade too. But these are my main ones. So Tuesday is going to be a nice day here. Wednesday, and maybe even Thursday, right? But yep, those are the economic data points you guys need to keep an eye out for. Those are the earnings that I'm personally watching. And yeah, let's hop into the chart here, y'all. As always, we're going to start with the futures. We'll start with NQ and ES. We'll work our way into QQQ and SPY. Then we'll look at the individual names for the week ahead. All right? Let's get it. Y'all want to do another giveaway real quick? All right, let's do it. Fuck it. Do one more real quick. Let's see what we got here. I'm going to pick one random person from the comments. Quentin Nassin. Let's see what you're going to win here, my man. Let's see what you are going to win here. Just do your damn thing, man. $25. Let's go. Let's do it. Quentin Sin. Writing your name down right now. It's 25 buckaroos, man. 25 buckaroos. Get you a nice dinner. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Already up. So, NQ, here we go. I mean, pretty much this is the same chart we've been looking at for I don't know how long, to be honest. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. But as you guys can see here, we've been talking about this for a long time. This nice little bull flag here on the weekly, finally playing out. Got the nice breakout here. This is a very nice chart. A very nice chart. You know, we've been talking about the cup and handle. We've been talking about the bull flag here for a long time, and finally played out. That was beautiful. Absolutely beautiful here. Beautiful move. But now we are sitting at this daily resistance, right? You guys can see this chart clear as day, right? Same thing I'm looking at here. We are sitting at these daily highs. This is the last big resistance we have until all-time highs. So this is the big pivot we got to watch out for here on NQ. But charts are still intact. I want to show you guys something here on the weekly. This is a scenario I'm watching to play out. So what's very important here on this chart is this last weekly close. I want you guys to really pay attention to this last weekly close. So if you notice here, we have a major resistance, which is a big structure point, here at 16,000. What you're seeing on this chart right now is an attempt to break that 16,000 level and a failure, which we close back below it. This chart right here, risk reward at this specific point is short, right? Reason being is because you're risking nothing, right? You're risking these highs for a potential move, you know, wherever the stock may retrace to, which is a pullback is imminent at this point, right? It's we need to see a pullback for the health of the trend. And this weekly chart, we now have a double top potential failure to go higher. So in this case, what I would look to do is I would look to grab some time on some puts and keep a stop loss above that previous wick high, right? So you can keep a stop loss above this last week's high, right? This chart looks like a nice double top failure to go higher. So that's my personal viewpoint of this week. I'm going to look to trade, right? Because as you can see, we definitely closed below that resistance, right? This was the big resistance. We attempted to break it. We failed it. Closed below it here. This is the new weekly candle. So, you know, this is not looking too good for bulls here. Not looking too good for bulls at all, right? But I mean, wow, this looks beautiful. I mean, if you get down on a daily chart here, this is just beautiful. I mean, look at this chart. Look at it. This is beautiful. This is beautiful for a short. I mean, I'm already in puts. I'm sure most of my everybody should be in puts with me, to be honest. But if you're not, this is a beautiful chart to short, right? You got this previous high here, this previous structure. We attempted to go higher here, as you guys can see, once, twice, 3, 4, 5 different times. Failed to go higher. This is a beautiful chart to short, right? The risk reward here is short. That is personally why I'm in puts. My first target is this swing high at 15,700. So in this case, if you want to talk about risk to reward for my folks out there that really care about it, in this case, right, I'm risking 150 points. If you want to talk about NQ, right, I'm risking 150 points for a potential 600 point move, right? That is over. That's roughly a 4-hour trade, right? So I'm essentially risking 150 bucks to make 600. I can go to sleep at night with that, right? That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm watching this week. Let's get down on a lower time frame and break it down. As you guys know as well, I will be going over QQQ and SPY for those that don't trade futures, so don't worry, just hang tight. But this chart here specifically, what I'm watching is two things. I'm watching a push back into this 16,125, 16,175 for a reject. That's first things first. Or I'm watching for a pullback into this previous resistance that is now support. You guys can see here, this is a massive, massive demand. So I'm going to be watching for a pullback on NQ into this 15,650, 15,700 area for a bounce, right? Those are the two big areas that I'm watching here on NQ. Very, very simple for the week ahead, watching those two areas. If you're in shorts with me, awesome. We should be printing. I mean, the market's down almost 0.5% right now, so we should open. I mean, we should open very nice, right? We should open very, very nice, considering this move down, right? Let's talk about ES now. Let's talk about ES. Very similar chart, right? Obviously, monthly chart still extremely strong, right? These higher time frames, you can't take it away from that, right? We are very strong, but we're also very extended, right? We're very extended into this major resistance here at 4,600. So my mindset on ES is going to be the same as it is with NQ, right? If you look at this chart here, got a beautiful little base at the top of the supply here. So what I'm looking for this week on ES is going to be very, very simple as well, right? We have a big structure point here at 45.40. I'm already in SPY put specifically, but what I'm going to watch on ES is a push back into 45.90, 4,600 for a reject, or if we continue to see weakness after tonight, I'm looking for a break and hold below 45.50 to go short down into this 4,500 level. If we break 4,500, it's adios. Floodgates open down here into the 44.30s. So this is my watch here on ES. Very simple. And yeah, that's what I'm watching here. My bounce, the demand I would love to take a bounce from, as you guys can see here, is this 44.30, 44.40. This was a major resistance that was broken and now is support. So my approach to ES and SPY is going to be swing these puts, look for a pullback into 4,500, take majority of my profit at 4,500. I'm going to trim some at 45.40. Going to take majority off at 4,500. If we continue to see weakness down to 44.30, 44.40, I'm going to look to flip long for a relief bounce down here in this demand. That's going to be my game plan here on ES if we see a pullback, right? Step 1 to step 2 to step 3. That's exactly what I'm going to look to do with ES if those scenario plays out, right? Now, if we continue to show strength, 4,600. I mean, that's what we can watch. But I personally don't think we go much higher without seeing at least a 1 to 2% pullback, in my opinion, right? The risk to reward right now is short for me, right? Majority of my swing position is short. Matter of fact, 100% of it is short. I swung a lot of puts. As you guys, majority of you guys know, I've been in puts for some time now. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie, I've seen some drawdown, right? I entered puts initially here, right? We popped, pushed new highs. I added back on it Friday, right? So I was down almost 30% into close Friday. But seeing this weakness here, I'll probably open at break even. And if we pop back into highs, I'll honestly add more and then keep a stop above that 4,600. That'll be my game plan there. But yeah, I love this chart. The risk to reward is definitely short, and I'm just trading what I'm seeing. Just trading what I'm seeing. But as always, man, if anybody's got any questions, feel free to ask. Whether it's trading, business, entrepreneurship, whatever it may be, I'm more than happy to answer. Y'all want to do the wheel spin? Let's get it. Or you just want to save it for the end? I'll let you guys choose. You want to do them throughout the live, or just wait for the end and do 5 or 10 of them? I'll give you guys a couple seconds to respond because the chat is delayed. So wait for the end, or just do them throughout. I'll let you guys choose. Throughout? Okay, cool. I'm going to pick somebody real quick. We have Jerry Zong. Jerry Zong. Good luck, man. We'll do 2 real quick. We'll do Jerry and then one more person. Ooh, that was close. Wow, Jerry won 50. Good shit, Jerry. Jerry Zong. $50. I got to get my pin here. Alright, we'll do one more real quick, and then we'll move on to QQQ and SPY. We have, let's see here, do one more. Sarah H. Sarah H. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. What we got? Oh, shit. I won $100. Damn. Y'all gonna make me go broke tonight. So far, Dwight Robinson won $10. Quentin Nasin won $25. Jerry Zong won $50. And Sarah H won $100. So pretty much everybody's won something on the board. The only thing that has been won yet is a free live trading day. So there we go. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, let's get into the charts. All right, we're on to QQQ now. If you guys want to pull up your chart and go along with me, let me know when you guys are ready. Sarah just won 100 bones. So far, I've given away $200. $200. 200 bucks. Let me know when you guys are ready. We're going to go over QQQ real quick. Y'all ready? Yeah, Davon, you'll get a message. Yep. I gotta pick 2 more from the comments. But if your message got pinned on the my Instagram post, you won. Yes. So there you go. You got a little sneak peek. Y'all ready? Let's rock and roll. So we just looked at NQ chart, relatively the same here on QQQ. I mean, just look at this chart, right? I mean, let's take a couple things into consideration here. One, we are up 15% in 24 trading days, right? Think about that, guys. The market has moved, the market has made the biggest move in history last month. Well, this month, right? Think about that. The market made the biggest move in history in the shortest period of time this month, right? I mean, we need a pullback. It's healthy. It's the market can't go up forever, right? I mean, we're at a very key supply here. The risk to reward is short. Chart simple. Trade the chart, in my opinion, right? But you know, it's just crazy to me. We witnessed the biggest move in the market ever in the shortest period of time. It's crazy, you know. But QQQ here, right? Same game plan as NQ. Big levels to watch here are this 393. 393, 380, 350, right? So I'm gonna be watching this high here at 393 and this low here at 380, 350, right? If we continue to see weakness, right, I'm gonna watch this 380, 350. If we get a clean break and hold below, I will be very confident shorting QQQ down to 379. 379 is that daily gap fill. If we get very, very weak, the level on NQ I was mentioning correlates to 374, 375. So if we come down to 374, 375, that is where I'll look to take a relief bounce. But the main game plan here is go short below 383.50, down into that 379 level. That's what I'm watching there. Now, say for some weird example, right, market continues to see strength. If we get a clean break and hold above 393, we have nothing but room into 400. I will be a little cautious trading those move above highs, but I do think there could be some value into that 400 level, right? But we do have to clear 393. So big level to the upside, 393. Big level to the downside, 383.50. Those are the 2 levels you need to keep an eye on, right? SPY, very similar chart here. I mean, just look at the chart, right? Look at this. We have a massive bearish divergence. Stock is still going higher, right? Look at this. Stock is pushing new highs, right? Pushing new highs. Look at the RSI. Continuously making lower highs. That is called a bearish divergence. We have a bearish divergence along with sitting in supply, being extremely overextended. Those are multiple confluences for a good short position. Most importantly, the risk to reward is favored to shorts, right? That's more important, right? But SPY here, what I am watching, right? What I'm watching here on SPY. First things first, right? Let's say, for example, we get a little pullback. I do like these previous highs, right? 451.50, 452. I do like this for a potential bounce, right? You guys can see here, this is a very credible level. So if we get a pullback into 451.50, 452, I will keep an eye on this for a relief bounce, right? That's first things first. Now, let's say, for example, we get very weak. 451.50 is a line in the sand. If we can get a clean break and hold below 451.50, we have nothing but room down into 450, 448, and then 446 down into 441.30 is that daily gap fill, right? So for those that are in the swing with me, my game plan is to trim some here first, right? 451.50, 452. First trim on the swing. Then look to take that intraday relief bounce. If we break 451.50, move our stop loss down to 451.50 once we get below it. Look to hold for that move down into 448. That is where I'm going to take another trim. And then I'm just going to hold the runners as long as I can with a 20-30% trailing stop, right? That's my game plan there with the swing. But upside, like I stated, if we continue to push, right, we can go long above 446.40. Do I love it? I don't, right? We can look for a break and hold above 456.40 to go long, right? I personally would probably just wait for us to test 460 and then look for a reject. So I would watch this 459, 460 area for a reject. I would much rather do that than look to go long above highs. I just don't, I don't see it, right? It's hard for me to trust the upside based off the factors I've mentioned throughout this live, right? So that is my personal take on the market. That's what I'm personally looking to trade. And yeah, so that's SPY, that's QQQ. Short watch list this week, I don't really like much, but the main ones I do like are Coin. I'm sure everybody knows why I love Coin. Bitcoin is extremely strong. Look at this monthly chart on Coin. Absolute beautiful monthly chart. Weekly chart looks amazing. Just cleared an absolute huge resistance here, as you guys can see. Cleared a major resistance here. We have nothing but room on Coin back into the 150s, 160s. This is a beautiful, beautiful chart. Extreme relative strength on Friday. And if you guys aren't subscribed to my Instagram, I gave this for free. Right? I mean, obviously not for free, but you guys got the lowdown, right? Every single day I post my trading plan. Every single day I post a very in-depth trading plan for next to nothing, right? I mean, obviously you have to pay for it, but compared to everything else, it's next to nothing, right? It's just insane, right? But Coin, what I'm watching is a pullback, first and foremost, or if we continue to see strength on Coin, I'm looking for a break and hold above 117 to go long. If we get above 117, I truly believe this is just going to blow the fucking top off. Right? This is a beautiful chart. But also, if we do get a pullback, I'm going to watch this 110, 111 area for a bounce. That's the first bounce area I'm watching. I am watching a second bounce. Let's say, for example, Coin gets very weak. Watch these previous highs here. You guys can see it just as well as I can. This is a major, major, major demand. This once was a big pocket of supply. As you guys can see here, this area is very, 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 very respected. So my first demand bounce on Coin is going to be 110 or 111. Say, for example, we get very weak and break that. I will then look for a bounce off of 106, 106.50, right? So the high risk bounce is going to be here at this 110, 111. My main bounce is going to be at 106, 106.50. I will look to enter a swing off of this if that holds into close here at 106.50. Yes, sir. And that's what I'm watching there on Coin. Very, very simple chart. Very, very simple chart here. Beautiful. Yeah, if we get 106, that'll be beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. SQ. Another nice relative strength name here. What I'm watching, two things. One, I'm looking for a break and hold above 60. So if we get a clean break and hold above 60, nice 5-minute candle closure above with volume, we can take the break and hold. If we don't have volume, wait for the retest, go long, look for that move back into 61.60. You guys can see here, the 60 psychological level is huge. So I'm watching that for continuation. Or if we pull back, I'm watching this 57, 57.50 for a bounce on SQ. This is square. Looking for a bounce off of 57, 57.5, or above 60. Nice, relatively strong main. Beautiful chart across multiple time frames. I love this setup here. Coin and SQ are my top watches this week, hands down. These are my A+ setups. As of now, can something change overnight? Sure, but as of now, these are my top watches. Nvidia, I want to talk about as well. Nvidia, look at this weekly time frame, right? This is a very, very weak chart. You had these previous all-time highs at 500. Look at this previous 2 weeks. We attempted to go higher here, failed it. Attempted to go higher again, failed it. Created a massive bearish engulfing with volume. This is my top short watch, right? Look at this chart here. Beautiful. Got a nice little failure to go higher of all-time highs. Big bearish engulfing here with volume. This is beautiful. I love this. So if the market gets weak, keep NVIDIA on watch. If we get below 475, this should be a clean move down to 465, roughly a 10-point move. Below 465, this is an absolute bloodbath. So keep an eye on NVIDIA, 100%. This is my top short watch this week. Absolute beautiful chart for shorts if we can get below that 475. Now, say for example, NVIDIA wants to get strong for some odd reason, right? I love this 490 level. You can see the credibility of this level, how it's previously traded, right? Very, very nice level here. 490. Look at the latest interaction, which is most important. If we get strong and we get a break and hold back above 490, we can take scalps back into that 500 and all-time highs at 510, right? So NVIDIA should have value this week as long as we move, right? My top watch on NVIDIA, though, is that short below 475, right? That is my main watch there. And, yeah, guys, short watch list this week. We covered NES, we've covered NQ, we covered QQQ, we covered SPY, we covered NVIDIA, Coin, SQ. Let's take a couple moments here. I'll check out some tickers for you guys. Snow, remember, we're keeping on watch. They have earnings this week. I think a lot of value could be here if we get above that 172.50. Disney, I'm also keeping on watch as a side watch. We're sitting inside of this massive daily gap fill. So I want you guys to set an alert at 96.60 on Disney, right? Set an alert on Disney above Friday's highs. Above Friday's highs, we have nothing but room on Disney to finish this gap fill into 100, right? So if Disney gets above Friday's highs, 96.60, look for a pullback and go long targeting 100. This is definitely a top watch for longs if we get strong, 100%. So what you guys can do, click Friday's highs, put a line there, crossing up, create a name for it, to say gap fill into 100 so you don't miss it, all right? Definitely keeping that on the side watch in case we get strong. Meta, I do like as well. Meta has a beautiful level here at 355.60. As you guys can see here, this is a very respected support. If we can get a clean break and hold below 355.60 on Meta, I think we'll see a nasty move down into this 330 area again. So this definitely can be a great short if Meta clears that 335.60 and trades below it. So definitely set an alert here at 335.60. So if it breaks, you'll get notified. You can go check it out. All right. What tickers you guys got for me? If you're posting tickers, please post tickers that we all trade, right? Don't want to look at anything too random. AMD, I mean, you guys can look at this chart just as much as I can. At this specific point, it's sitting at a major resistance, right? You guys can look at this chart sitting at this major 125 level. I mean, in my opinion, we're a bit extended, sitting into a major supply. I couldn't trade AMD until we cleared 125. If we clear 125, 100% can take AMD longs. Or if you want to be a bit more high risk and contrary, you can look for a reject off of 125 with a tight stop above, right? That's what you can do, right? I think the risk reward here pretty much across the board is short for majority of these names that are trading in those major supplies. Tesla, tricky chart here, tricky chart. I'm not really a fan of Tesla this week, but I'll cover it for you guys. I mean, what I'd watch on Tesla is I would watch. I mean, this is just a tough chart, to be honest. But first thing I would watch is its demand. I still love this demand on Tesla. If we pull back into 225, 227 on Tesla, I definitely would look for a bounce there. 225, 227 bounce on Tesla for sure. Outside of that, I mean, there's a big level here at 239. If we clear 239, I think we could trade back into this 244. But that is a bit high risk, right? As you can see, this is a major resistance here at 244. Big pivot there, big pivot at 232. But I would definitely take that 225, 227 bounce on Tesla if we pulled back for sure. That is a major demand and definitely is worth some risk if we come down there. Outside of that, I don't really see too much on Tesla. Microsoft, yeah, this is pretty self-explanatory. I don't think we go much higher personally. I mean, if you look at this daily chart here, this is the definition of momentum slowing down, right? Look at this Microsoft chart, right? What do you guys notice here? Right? What do you guys notice here? Look at the indecision, right? Yes, we're going up. It's literally one green day, one red day. One green day, one red day. One green day, one red day. This is the definition of momentum slowing down, right? This is not clean price action. This is not at all clean price action. Very low volume here. I mean, it just doesn't look enticing at all. It doesn't look enticing. But if, right? If, let's talk about if, right? We clear this 380 level, right? We get a clean break and hold above 380. That is new all-time high territory. I definitely would look to long Microsoft for a move into that 390 level, right? At all-time highs, I'll give you guys some free game real quick, right? At all-time highs, what can you do to find levels, right? You take a Fibonacci extension, find the Fibonacci extension tool, go from swing low to swing high to the pullback. Now you got targets at all-time highs, right? 386.70, 393, 402. It's a 3-point tool, right? Recent swing low, 0.1. Swing high, 0.2. Pullback, 0.3. Those are your targets on the way up. That is the Fibonacci extension. Really the only time I use them, at all-time highs or all-time lows. What else we got here? What else we got? Netflix. Actually, thank you for mentioning that. Yes, I do love Netflix. I do love Netflix. Look at this chart here. Thank you for mentioning this. Look at Netflix. All right, let's look at Netflix real quick. I love this for a short as well. Thanks for mentioning it. Look at the absolute beautiful strength of this level. I didn't even know what to say. 1, 2, 3, 4, and look where we're testing. This is a major supply. Testing it on low volume. This is a weekly supply. I mean, in my opinion, right? What you can do is, I mean, I don't know though, man. I mean, Netflix is just so strong. I mean, look at this daily chart. It's just a ripper. You know, I mean, look at that. Netflix is up freaking 40%. It's up 40% with no pullback. I mean, in my opinion, right now, the risk to reward on Netflix is short. If you wanted to short Netflix, simply keep a stop loss above 485, right? Buy 2 weeks out or a month out on Netflix. Keep a stop loss above 485. Look for a pullback back into that 460 and 450 area. That is what I would look for on Netflix, right? That is what I would look for. I mean, this name is just incredibly strong, though. You know what I mean? I personally wouldn't look to short it, but that's the only really big setup I see here, right? The risk to reward is definitely short at the moment in terms of the chart, but can it go higher? Absolutely. It can definitely go higher. That's for sure. Walmart. All right, this is the last one. We'll do a little bit more in terms of the giveaway, and we'll go ahead and call it a night. Walmart's sitting on a massive support here. You guys can see. This is a huge trendline support here. I mean, I don't know what we can do with it, but oh, actually I do. If Walmart clears this 156.85, I think this would be a good long position off of this long-term trendline support. If Walmart can get above 156.85, I think we can definitely look for a long position on Walmart for a gap fill back into that 166. Actually, I do like this a lot. When's the gap fill start? The gap fill starts from 159.40 into 167.50, right? So what I would look for on Walmart is I would look for a early entry above 156.85. So if we get above 156.85, look for an early entry into 159.50. If we get a break and hold above 159.50, that starts that daily gap fill back into that 167.50. Definitely could be some value in here if Walmart starts to rebound. Yo, please stop spamming. I'm going to turn on the little cloud bot and it's going to mute you. Please, stop. Stop. Alrighty, guys. So, anybody got any last minute questions? Anybody got last minute tickers? Let's go ahead and do a couple more giveaways. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Alright, so we'll just get straight into the giveaways then. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's get it. Alright, everybody do me a favor before we get started here. be sure to hit that like button. And if you guys are enjoying tonight's live, you follow along, wrote down the trading plan, you guys are taking notes, you guys are learning, tag me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to repost it. Yeah, let's get it. I'm going to pick somebody from the comments, and let's see where we're at. Boom. Let's see where we're at. I'm going to pick one person here. We have, what is the name? Night Lighter. Night Lighter. I'm going to pick a couple people, and then we are going to spin them all, one after another. Alright, so Night Lighter I have here. Night Lighter's the first one. Night Lighter. Let me do one more here. We have Roderick Kelly. Roderick Kelly. I'm going to pick 5 people. 5 people, alright? We have Mr. Joe. Alright, we have Mr. Joe. Let's see what else we got here. We have hold on. Slow down. Whoa. Henry. I don't want to pronounce your last name wrong. Henry Nung, I want to say. I think that's how you pronounce it. Alright, let's keep going here. We have Annette Ernest. Annette Ernest. That's 5 there. Alright, let's do these 5 and see where we're at. Let's do this 5 and see where we're at. Alright, here we go. First up, we have Night Lighter. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh! Free live trading day for my man Night Lighter. Let's go. Love to see it. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, next one. Roderick Kelly. Let's go. What we got? 50 bones. Alrighty. Next we have Mr. Joe. Where you at, man? 100 bones. Let's go. Next we have Henry. I don't want to pronounce the name wrong. Sorry, brother. I think they're minty too. God damn, y'all gonna break me, man. What's wrong with this fucking wheel? There's like so many 10s on here. Why does it keep going to 100? Fuck. Damn. Y'all gonna make me go broke. Damn. Alright, one more for Annette Ernest. Where we at? Annette. 25 bones. Let's go. Alright, let's see where we're at now. We got $10 to Dwight, 25 to Quentin, 50 to Jerry, Sarah 100. Nightlighter's got a live trading day. Roderick's got 50. Mr. Joe's got 100. Henry's got 100. Annette's got 25. Where we at? That's 200, 250, 300, 400. That's $500 so far. Let's do 5 more. Fuck it. Let's go. Let's go. 5 more people. Let's get it. And we're going to call it a night, alright? Bada bing, bada boom. We have Anesia. Jesus. Anesia. Then we have oh, you already won, sorry. We have Daisha Lang. Daisha Lang. It's number 2. Then we have Let's see. Slow down. Let me see. Bada bing. We have... this thing's flying so fast. Goodness gracious. Damn, y'all are flying here. It's hard for me to pick one person. There we go. Boom. One love to dream. To dream. Then we have J Hooks. J Hooks. Then we have one more, which is, where are we at? Miss Lloyd. Alright, let's get it. Let's see where we're at after this. Let's see where we're at after this. Might do a couple more. Alright, starting up, we have Anasia. I want to pronounce that right, hopefully. Where we at? Boom. 50 bones. There you go. 50 bones. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's see. Bada bing, bada boom. Next, we have Deja Lang. Let's see what we got here, Deja. $10 for Deja. Next, we have I Love to Dream. Let's see what we got here. Bam! Another 10. What else do we got here? J Hooks. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 50 bones for J. Miss... I don't know if I spelt this right. Alrighty, let's get it. One more, one more, one more. Where we at? Boom! 25. 25. Alright. So, now we're at $700. I have 300 more to give away. How do I want to do this? How do I want to do this? Where we at? Boom. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15 winners so far. 15 winners. 15. 15. What we want to do here? What do we want to do here? 15 winners so far. Let's see where we're at. 15 winners. Where are we at? Y'all want to do 5 more? Man, y'all are killing me, man. Y'all are killing me. What time is it? 9:50. Ah. Alright, y'all want to do 5 more? Fuck. Alright. We'll do 5 more. Come on. Quick. We gotta do it quick. First one is... Bada bing, bada boom. Bryce Snyder. Bryce Snyder. Give me 1 second here. I'm trying to get everything organized. Bryce Snyder. Next one we have is... 1 second. Kyle Lizotte. Alright, let's see. Next one is Dom Like That. Dom is like that, huh? Let's go. Got 2 more here. Let's get it. Bada bing, bada boom. Watch out, Turbo. Watch out, Turbo. Cesar Garcia. Last one. Let's get it. What we got? Cha-ching. We have Boom. Skylar Schmid. I think that's my mentee, to be honest. Actually, it is. SCHMID. Alright. Good luck, Bryce. Good luck, good luck, good luck. First things first. Let's get it. Boom. $100. That easy. Imagine you won $100 after getting the value of the live. You got a free trading plan. You got free value on the stock market. And you won $100. True. Love it. Kyle, Lizzo, let's go. Bing. My man won $10. What else we got? We got Dom like that. Let's see if Dom's really like that. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Boom. $50. I guess that's alright. 50 bones for Dom. Then we got Caesar Garcia. Caesar Garcia. $100 for Caesar. Then we got Skylar. Last one. Last one of the night. Last one of the night. Then we're going to go ahead and wrap it up. Boom. 10 bones for Skylar. There we go. 20 people. Give away a little bit over $975 tonight. Almost 1K. Yeah, man. We're going to do it again next week. We're going to continue this for the next couple of weeks. And, yeah, man. We're going to have some fun. We're going to have some fun with it, alright? The kick chat, what's up? Where we at? Yeah, there's not too many people in the kick chat, so we're just chilling. Yeah, I think there's like one person, Davion. I'm gonna hook Davion up just for hanging out in the kick chat. But yeah, man, I appreciate every single one of your guys' time. Seriously, thank you for taking time out of your Sunday to come kick it with me. Hope you guys got some value from this. If you did, please hit that like button on the way out. If you really want to show love, tag me on Instagram. And yeah, man, give me some time. There's 20 winners, so it's gonna take me some time to get your Cash App or Zelle or PayPal, whatever you gotta send to me. And yeah, man, give me some time. You know, I'll try to have everybody done by the night. It's already 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. Excuse me. I gotta get my little one, so if I don't get to you tonight, do not stress out. I will have it done by tomorrow, no problem. And yeah, man, once again, thanks everybody for the time tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. And yeah, man, let's have a great week. You guys have a great night. And catch y'all in the morning. As always, if you guys don't know, at the end of every live, I put my Instagram subscription for 50% off. So if you're interested in joining the Instagram subscription, go to my profile, click on the subscribe button, and you'll get in 50% off lifetime. So if you go there right now, it's only 5 spots available. Let's see. Matter of fact, there's 5 spots available. First 5 are going to get it automatically, but I'm going to give it to 10 people. So even if it doesn't say 50% off, if you subscribe, send me a screenshot. I will reimburse you for 6 months. Okay? There you go. So you have 6 months for free. That's the last giveaway I'm doing tonight. Subscription details, promos, next 5, 50% off. Turn that on. If you do not get the 50% off when you sign up, send me a screenshot. It's on me, alright? You guys have a great night. I appreciate your guys' time as always. Let's have a great trading week. And yeah, man, I'm going to go ahead and call it a night. Catch you guys in the morning. And Minties, y'all know the vibes. I'll see y'all bright and early. We're going to kill the market together. And yeah, man, Night Lighter, I'm going to send you the details. You're going to be live trading right along with us tomorrow. And yes, sir. Peace, guys. You guys have a great night, alright? Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you guys' time. Adios.